had something a little bit interesting. It was cow tongue soup. So I put the cow tongue in my cast iron Dutch oven. This is something that I cooked in the oven, otherwise I would have used my big stock pot, but that can't go in the oven, so I used my cast iron Dutch oven, which was fine, which is a little smaller, so it was like almost overflowing at certain points, and I didn't get to add the diced tomatoes in, which was fine. Then I covered it in water. Just enough water to cover the whole tongue. And then I coarsely chopped 2 onions and a whole bunch of cloves of garlic, because we love our garlic around here. I put in salt and pepper, and then I put the lid on and I put it in a 300-degree oven for 6 hours. And the key with this is to cook it low and slow. Otherwise it can be tough and rubbery and not super good. So either cook it in the crock pot or in a really low oven for a really long time. After 6 hours, I took it out and I added a bunch of chopped carrots. I was gonna add diced tomatoes at this point, but it was almost overflowing, so I skipped those and it was still really delicious. And then I put it back in the 300-degree oven for another hour, and that was enough time to get the carrots soft. And then after that, I took out the cast iron Dutch oven, I took the tongue out and I put it on a cutting board so it could cool off a little bit, because you want to peel the skin off before you eat it, because the skin is really thick and not something you want to eat. So you peel the skin off the tongue, and then I just chopped up the whole thing and put it back in the soup, and then it was ready to go. I just added a little bit more seasoning once I was able to taste it,